We are from Group 6 and will be presenting about the marketing plans for Kraf Holdings Sdn Bhd. Firstly, company background.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Anton. I would like to present on the company background of Kraf Holdings Sdn Bhd. So Kraf Holdings Sdn Bhd was established in March 1987 as a subsidiary of Malaysian Handicraft, which focused on two main activities, which is as a supplier of craft materials and also finished craft product. This company was formed with a capital of 5 million ringgit Malaysia. As a subsidiary of Kraft Tangan Malaysia, this company is administered and managed by Datuk Haji Suhaimi bin Shahadan as a chairman and also several other stakeholders. Kraft Holding targets local as their customer base. This is because the company's products such as exclusive batik and ceramic product are in line with the culture of the local population, where ceramic products are often used as home decoration and batik is often used in ceremonies such as performance and weddings.
Secondly, analytic model.
Hi, my name is Nur Aidil Skunavati Sharifuddin. I will talk about Western analysis. First one is political. Sweden is an EU and WTO member. It is known for its non-alignment and objectivity of foreign policies in both peace and war. It is in fact regarded as one of the most secular humanist countries in the world. Its good government is excellent and beneficial to the smooth operation of the firm. Second is economic. Sweden has a competitive labor market as well as a skilled workforce. Regrettably, income inequality is a major issue in the country, particularly for young people, because Sweden's per debt is low. Craft holding companies can export goods more easily because they do not have to invest as much money championing the product that will be sold. The third one is social. Material used to make complex habitats will easily stimulate the interest of women in Sweden, as there is a group that is drawn to nature as well as children who frequently engage in outdoor activities involving nature. Fourth is technology. Sweden has chosen by the researcher because of its high level of technology. As a result, researchers believe the machines used are high performing and use environmentally friendly energy. 5 is environmental. The management chose Sweden because the product it will sell are made of simple material that will not pollute the environment, such as clay in the ceramic manufacturing method. 6 is legal. The 1999 Directive on the Sale of Consumer Goods and Exercise Guarantees required proper merchants to include a minimum 2 years money-back guarantee on all consumer goods available in supermarkets.
SWOT analysis. Strength. High quality product are the company's strength. The company sells rattan, batik and kebaya. These goods are made using high quality material to provide customers the finest experience. Each product distinctive design symbolizes Malaysia in Sweden. Secondly, weaknesses. Kraft Holdings want to sell its handicraft in Sweden, but the market is too small. Considering this, the corporation must sell its goods effectively. Raw material must still be acquired from Malaysia as the company expands, which is a drawback. Opportunity. These items are popular in Asia, but within the Scandinavian market, it is modest. The company has a huge possibilities in Sweden and few competition. Due to a lack of competition, extending your market will be the tipping point for considerable market demand. Lastly, threats. Rising raw material prices will threaten the company. Swedish customs may have issues with Malaysia's raw material. Finally, product design development will be an issue since they must introduce fresh designs with each new product. The company must undertake SWOT analysis of its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats.
This is the MOST analysis, the other relevant analysis model that I think would suit this topic. MOST is a short form for mission, objective, strategy, and tactic. So let's look at Kraft's mission. First, where Kraft wants to expand the greatness of the unique products that are heavily culture-woven to be introduced to the world and also wishing to be the one leading the handicraft industry. Next is their objective. Kraft wants to bring our local culture to show others the hidden beauty of those special elements. Also, Kraft aims to be widely known by utilizing digital platform. As for the strategy, is when Kraft has their own strategy, such as executing a proper and nice marketing on exposing Kraft to the greater world. To be the best, Kraft's also collecting the top-notch quality of raw materials to pump up their product's core value that cannot be simply downgraded by other competitors. And for the tactic, Kraft are actively communicating with its client and customer which bring in profits. Also, Kraft have their own way to suffice any needs for young entrepreneurs that are interested in growing their handicraft business to a larger scale.
And for the last part is marketing objective and strategic option.
My name is Lee Xiaojing, and now I'm going to present marketing objective. Kraft Holding using smart philosophy involves establishing measuring goals of the company marketing strategy. For specific, Kraft Holding wants to be the market leader in the providing of raw material for the craft sector and to act as a marketing representative for goods based on the craft for incubators and future craft entrepreneurs to ensure the quality of the items. Next is measurable. Kraft Holding concentrate on the sales and supply of raw material to satisfy the demand of the handicraft industry. Third is undeniable. Kraf Holding proceed with a joint venture project with ministry, departments, and statutory bodies to supply finished product and raw material. In order to deliver the finest service, Kraf Holding is dedicated to ensuring the raw materials are supplied to satisfy the requirements set by reasonable goods operators. Fourth is relevant. Kraf Holding focusing on local marketing and unique manufacturing, the company start broadening in commercial horizon. Lastly is time-based. Kraf Holding is constantly prepared to advise and take steps to maintain the company relevance and competitiveness on a national and international scale in order to improve the technology enabled in most areas in the future.
I'm here and I'm going to talk about the strategy options to which to achieve the goals has been set by companies. So first we have the segmentations. So Sweden is the largest country in the Nordic regions. And the Swedish populations, they promote also creative and handicraft cultures. Companies also consider about their behaviors as Swedish online handicraft and also arts products. So for the segmentation part, we are going to focus on the local market and unique batik manufacturing, which the company has started broadening its commercial horizons. And we're also focusing on young married couples or middle class families, especially they are interested in handicraft and would like to share with their kids to explore more about Malaysia's cultural artworks. And next will be the positioning. So there's a new challenges when taking steps to maintain the company relevance and the competitiveness on the nationals and international skills. Next, we're going to talk about the supporting technical mix, which is the 7 Ps. So first, we're going to talk about the products. So basically, the products has been company has sold varieties of products, which was not mentioned by my friends Fidelis just now, as they have raw material, clothing, the dyeing materials, and so on. So this is how Swedish the populations can recognize that companies products. So I'm going to be talking about promotion. So basically, the promotions for companies, the promotion is very important as it supports trends towards the customer specifying marketings. And based on the customer's behavior, companies can easily segment the promotional activities to the festival seasons. Okay, next is about the price. So basically, companies will provide an affordable prices to Swedish, which also included the promotion as mentioned just now, which is promotion will be more attractive for customers. And next we have fees. So company will using the appropriate locations to grow and sustain the sales for longer. Next we have for people. We are trying to communicate and interact directly with the customers as people and what they develop with their marketing abilities, which can carry out about the company's marketing mix strategies. And next we are going to see on the process. So firstly, we are prioritize the process that overlap with the customer experience, and staff must be able to carry out company operations, which can make the business more efficient and more precise and well-defined. And lastly, for the 7P is the physical evidence. So we know that physical proof has been provided that the qualities of the experience being provided by Kraf Holdings.
That is all from us. Thank you.